Can you feel that? The air's getting crisp, the lights are starting to twinkle, and there's a certain kind of magic all around. That's right, Christmas is just around the corner. And with it comes a whole flurry of activities that get us all into the festive spirit. Today, we're counting down the top 10 things almost everyone does before the big day arrives. How many of these are on your list? Let's find out. Coming in at number 10, we have the Christmas movie marathon. It's an absolute must. Whether you're Team Home Alone, a fan of Elf, or you prefer a classic like It's a Wonderful Life there, it's nothing quite like cozying up on the sofa with a hot chocolate and diving into those heartwarming holiday films. It's the perfect way to officially kick off the season and get those festive feelings flowing. Next up at number 9 is writing the Christmas list. And I'm not just talking about the kids. We all have that secret wish list, whether it's a new gadget, a book we've been dying to read, or maybe just a peaceful afternoon to ourselves. It's that fun moment of dreaming and hoping that makes the lead up to Christmas so exciting. At number 8, it's all about the tunes. Blasting Christmas music is non-negotiable. From Mariah Carey hitting those high notes to the soothing sounds of Bing Crosby, holiday music instantly transforms any space. Whether you're driving, cleaning the house, or baking. Having that festive soundtrack playing in the background just makes everything feel more joyful and bright. Slipping into our number 7 spot is a big one, planning the Christmas feast. This is where the master chefs and home cooks shine. What's on the menu this year? A traditional turkey, a glazed ham, or something completely different? The planning, the recipe swapping, the grocery lists are all a huge part of the pre-Christmas excitement, building anticipation for the delicious day itself. At number 6, we have the annual tradition of sending Christmas cards. In our digital world, there's something so special about receiving a handwritten card in the mail. It's a thoughtful way to connect with friends and family, near and far, sharing a little bit of holiday cheer and letting them know you're thinking of them. It's a tradition that truly warms the heart. We're halfway there. At number 5, it's time to deck the halls. Untangling those fairy lights might be a challenge, but the moment you plug them in and see the house glow, it's all worth it. Hanging wreaths, putting up stockings, and creating a festive atmosphere turns your home into a personal winter wonderland. It's your own little slice of the North Pole. Coming in hot at number 4 is Christmas baking. The smell of gingerbread, sugar cookies, and cinnamon fills the air. This is the time for creative chaos in the kitchen. Decorating cookies with colorful icing and sprinkles is a fantastic activity for the whole family. And let's be honest, taste testing along the way is the best part.
Yes.
Plus, you get delicious treats to share. Our top 3 are here. At number 3, we have the great Christmas shopping adventure. Whether you're a last-minute panic buyer or a meticulously planned-out gift giver, the hunt for the perfect presents is a core part of the season. Navigating crowded malls or scrolling through online stores, the goal is the same: to find something that will bring a smile to a loved one's face. At number 2, an activity that for many truly signals the start of Christmas: decorating the tree. This is a milestone moment. It's unpacking the ornaments, each with its own memory, and carefully placing them on the branches is a cherished ritual. Topping it with a star or an angel is the final touch, turning a simple evergreen into the sparkling centerpiece of the holiday. And finally, the number 1 thing most people do before Christmas is spend quality time with loved ones. Above all, the hustle and bustle. This is what the season is truly about. Whether it's visiting a Christmas market together, watching a holiday movie, or just enjoying a simple meal, these are the moments that create the most precious memories. It's the connection and the shared joy that make this time of year so incredibly special. So, how many of these are on your pre-Christmas to-do list? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this festive countdown, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful holiday season.